Castlefield, an inner-city conservation area in Manchester, has a rich history dating back to Roman times, evolving from a military fort to a hub of industrial activity and now a vibrant urban heritage park. Castlefield's history begins around AD 79 when Roman soldiers, led by General Agricola, established a fort known as Mamucium. This fort was strategically located on a rocky outcrop, protected by the rivers Irwell and Medlock, serving as a military base to guard important roads leading to larger Roman forts in York and Chester. Over time, the fort was rebuilt and expanded, eventually becoming a stone structure. A nearby settlement, or vicus, developed to support the fort, but it declined after the Romans left around AD 410. After the Roman period, the area saw a decline until the establishment of a new village, Manchester, about a kilometre northeast of the fort. By the 12th century, the area began to grow, and by the 18th century, Castlefield became significant due to the Industrial Revolution. The Bridgewater Canal, commissioned by the Duke of Bridgewater and constructed by James Brindley between 1758 and 1761, was the first canal in Britain, facilitating coal transport from Worsley to Manchester. The 19th century marked a period of rapid industrial growth in Manchester, with Castlefield becoming a bustling area filled with warehouses and transport links. This success led to the construction of the Rochdale Canal, which connected to the Bridgewater Canal in 1804, making Castlefield a central hub for the canal network. The construction of railway viaducts in the late 19th century further integrated Castlefield into the city's transport network. Although many historical structures were buried or demolished during this expansion, in 1980, Castlefield was designated a conservation area, and in 1982, it became the UK's first designated urban heritage park. This recognition is to preserve its historical significance while promoting regeneration. Today, Castlefield features a blend of historical and modern architecture, with restored canals, residential developments, and cultural spaces, including the Museum of Science and Industry. Castlefield's transformation from a derelict industrial area to a vibrant urban space exemplifies the successful integration of history and modern living, making it a unique part of Manchester's